guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I'm Maahek Nair and today we're doing everyone's favorite. Today we're doing a Keto Paneer Biryani. So let's quickly go and see the ingredients. Hi guys, today we are doing a Keto Paneer Biryani. Ingredients for the same are 100 grams grated or finely chopped cauliflower, 2 tablespoons Desi ghee, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic minced, 1 cup coriander and fresh mint leaves, 125 grams cottage cheese, 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt or hung yogurt, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch and turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of saffron. So I've taken lukewarm water and dissolved some saffron strands into the same, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can also use fresh lemon. Here I have mixed condiments, that would be jeera, kasuri methi, dalchini, tejpatta, long, elaichi and mace. For the exact amount of quantity, you can look into the description below. Lastly, I have some Kewda Water. First we have our clarified butter, that is Desi ghee. That's about 2 tablespoons. To that I'm going to add my chopped ginger and garlic. They are really finely chopped. To them I'm going to also add few of my condiments like jeera. Then I'm going to add black peppercorns and cloves. Then I have mace, except the kasuri methi, all of them. Now we are going to simmer it and let it cook till it becomes slightly golden and you have a nice fragrance coming out of it. So this is an ideal meal if you're planning to cheat when you're doing a keto and a intermittent diet. The wonderful colors are coming up and it's giving you a nice fragrance as well. So now you can put your gas onto a medium flame. And now we're going to add the next one, that is going to be our 125 grams of cottage cheese. Because I'm making a quick biryani, I'm using a non-stick pan today. But usually when I prefer making a dum biryani, like you can go and watch our other videos of a chicken biryani, we have used an earthen utensil which takes a little more longer to cook. So if you have time and you can do that, please use an earthen utensil so that you can get the perfect taste for the same. So cauliflower biryani is one of the best biryani. One, because it is really light to eat. Second, it gives you the authentic taste of the biryani, what you're really craving for. Third, it still keeps you in your ketosis and whatever fasting you're doing and does not really take you out of your diet. So you can eat guilt-free. And fourth, it's super easy. It would not take more than 15 minutes to cook a nice biryani. So now you see, once the paneer slightly turns golden, that means it's kind of well done. Now we're going to lower the flame and add some turmeric powder and some Kashmiri Lal Mirch powder, and give it a nice stir once again. To this now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of hung curd or Greek yogurt. And now the last ingredient, we're going to add some salt, and then our cauliflower and coriander leaves and mint leaves go into the same. So we're going to add pink Himalayan salt as per taste. Next we're going to add is a bunch of coriander, and some really not cutting them, but I would prefer them slightly bigger and thicker because it gives you a really nice taste when they come into your mouth. Now to this I'm going to add my cauliflower. And here we have our cauliflower going into the same. So we're going to try and cover it up because it's a bigger dish. But we're going to cover it up. That's about 100 grams of cauliflower. There you go. And the next, we're going to flatten this. And to this, before we put the lid, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon water, 1 tablespoon of and here we go, we're going to add our saffron water to the same, and little of a Kewda essence. There you go. And our kasuri methi goes on top. There you go. And now we're going to put the lid and cook the biryani for the next 5 to 8 minutes. And our paneer keto biryani is ready. I'm going to mix the same, and you can see the wonderful color of our biryani. There you go. Super easy, cooks in less than 15 minutes. Now I'm going to put this into a dish and it's ready to be served. So our keto paneer biryani is ready. The benefits of the same: cooks less than 15 minutes, a super healthy meal because it is gluten-free. Third, it keeps you in your stage of ketosis. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please subscribe the channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Maahek Core Pilates, and trust me, awesome, amazing, super cool recipes. Thank you so much. See you next time.